In a hidden corner of a bustling city stood an enchanted library, where books whispered tales of forgotten realms. Lila, a young scholar, frequented this haven of knowledge. One day, as Lila browsed the shelves, a dusty manuscript caught her eye. Its pages were filled with symbols she had never seen before, radiating an air of mystery. Seeking answers, Lila consulted an old sage known for deciphering ancient texts. The sage spoke of a forgotten language spoken only by magical creatures. Lila embarked on a journey to the Whispering Woods, a forest said to house magical creatures fluent in the forgotten language. The trees seemed to hum with secrets. Within the woods, Lila met a pixie named Phelan. With a mischievous smile, Phelan revealed that he could teach her the forgotten language through a magical melody. Guided by Phelan's melody, Lila and the pixie embarked on a journey through the Whispering Woods, their laughter and music resonating with the creatures of the forest. Under the shelter of an ancient oak, Lila finally deciphered the manuscript. The symbols came alive, revealing a story of unity between humans and magical beings. With newfound understanding, Lila and Phelan cast a unity spell that connected humans and magical creatures. The Whispering Woods glowed with enchantment. Back in the library, Lila shared her experience with the sage. The forgotten language was no longer a mystery, and the library's shelves seemed to hum with appreciation. Lila began to read aloud the stories from the manuscript, bridging the gap between humans and magical creatures. The library transformed into a space of shared wisdom.